If you write romance, or maybe there's a romantic subplot in your work in progress, these 5 prompts are designed to help you find fresh ideas, flesh out your characters, and make that romantic prose sizzle on the page. You don't need to have a story in progress to benefit from these prompts, but before you start writing, you might want to just take a few moments to decide who are your characters, who's the main character, and who's their love interest. And then, when you're ready, here are the prompts. First prompt, write a scene where your main character has to rescue their love interest from some kind of situation. Maybe it's a real danger or crisis, or it could be something like some awkward social drama. Use your imagination. Prompt 2, write a scene where your main character is meeting their love interest for the first time, but neither of them can see the other's face. Remember that scene from the movie About Time where they meet for the first time in a restaurant in the dark? Something like that. Find a creative reason that they can't see each other, and this will help bring out their emotional and psychological compatibility. Prompt 3. This is one that I've always wanted to write myself, but I offer it to you free of charge. Write a scene where your main character goes on the wrong blind date. What I mean is they go to the prearranged meeting place, find someone who's waiting, and assume it's their date, except it's not. Prompt 4. Write a scene that takes place on a long-haul flight where 2 strangers seated next to each other start to develop feelings. And prompt 5. Write about 2 neighbors who are meeting for the very first time when a fire alarm goes off in their shared apartment building, and they end up just chatting to pass the time. And there you go. If you find these prompts useful, or even if they spark some kind of full-length story, please let me know, and do tell me which genre I should do next.